In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up any controller on Steam. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do firstly is make sure your controller is connected to your PC. I'd recommend using a USB-C wire because it has the most stable connection and you're going to have the least amount of input delay as well, which is very important, especially when you're playing competitive games. Then just go ahead and open up Steam. And then what you want to do is on your controller, just press, like if you're on the PlayStation, press your power button or your PlayStation button. You're then going to automatically enter big picture mode. Now it might be quite loud for you, but all you want to do from here, you're going to be able to control and use your controller. But now all I want to do is press the menu icon again. Then I can, bear in mind, I can still use my mouse and keyboard if my controller is not connected properly. Then go over to settings. Once you're in settings, go to controller, and I'm going to see my DualSense wireless controller right here. So what I want to do is, if this is the one that's, connected, or if one's not connecting properly, I can always press add a controller. It says to add a stream controller, connect a stream controller puck via USB. And if you want to control one via Bluetooth, you can use your operator's settings. But what I'm going to do is I want to configure this one. So I have my DualSense wireless controller. I can choose if I want anything, but I can even just go over to advanced settings like so. Like if I don't want vibration, I can turn this off. I can test device inputs, make sure everything's working properly. And then I can also go over and calibrate my, controller completely as well, which is really cool. And of course I can change the LEDs, as much as I want as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. I can check gyro control, all of that stuff, calibrate that. And then I can also configure my joysticks too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.